आमदार गिरीश बोरकार फाटले कितलेशेच दीस जाले TCPच्या कलम 39A आड आझाद मैदानाचेर आमरण उपोशण करता. 39A स्क्रॅप करपा विशीं निर्णय बेगीन जावचो. अधिवेशनाक फकत 8 दीस उरल्यात. दुसरे वटेन विरेशाची भलायकी गंभीर आसा. आनीक 8 दीस म्हळ्यार ताची भलायकी आनी बिगडपाक शकता. देखून अधिवेशन बेगीन आपोवचें म्हूण शिष्टमंडळान बिरेस्तारा राज्यपालांची भेट घेतली. ताकतिकेन अधिवेशन घेवचें आनी तातूंत हें विधेयक सरकारान फाटीं घेवचें म्हूण राज्यपालाक सांगिल्ल्याचें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमांव तशेंच आमदार वेंझी विएकासान सांगलें. मजगतीं कलम 39A विरोधात गोंयकार एकठांय येतले अशें आमदार वेंझी सांगता. TCP कार्यालयांतल्यो फायली ना जाल्यात म्हूण पयलीं कळपाक जाय आसलें. कांय दिसां उपरांत न्हू अशा तरेचे खुबशे आरोप प्रत्यारोप आतां जातले. आमी सगळे एकठांय आसा. सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवन 39A स्क्रॅप करपा खातीर सरकाराक भाग पाडपाक जाय अशें युरीन सांगलें.
The original idea is that we should not divert ourselves. The original issue is scrapping of this section, and immediately on health grounds because of Girish, we have asked the Honorable Governor to make sure that the assembly is called. Now what you can see is there will be a lot of twists and turns, a lot of allegations, a lot of this is the speciality about this Bharatiya Jumla Party. As Jumla anda जायत करू शकतले. थिंगा फायल नाच जाले आनी कितें जालें तें पयलीं कांय तेंगे भायर सरोना. सोशल एक्टिविस्ट दॅट वी शूड बेसिकली मेक शुअर दॅट pressurize this government to make sure that this section is scrapped. Whether files are missing or not missing, that had to come yesterday and not after several days of the agitation. That is a big question mark. So these type of jumlas, tomorrow they will say several other things. They will give threats and whatever. But we are doing it for Goan. Governor has heard us and we have told him that he has the powers to convene. He has said that he would discuss with the government and try and use his powers. This is what we cannot see. He is the custodian of the entire state and the law and order situation today. He's got powers that he can call for a session. It has happened in the past because we can lose a life of a legislator. There are two people who are on a hunger strike. Both of them could lose their lives. It's not that we didn't discuss. When this bill was bought, we walked in the well. When he was manhandled, we didn't file a case or anything. We were put out, completely out of the assembly. It's not that we didn't discuss. The thing is that on the 16th of Feb, I tabled a bill. Several other legislators also simultaneously tabled. And discussion on that bill which clearly states that this needs to be admitted or the government gets another bill, take a cabinet decision and scrap the current bill. That is our only demand. They scrapped it. Regional plan was scrapped during they scrapped the Bhumiputra bill. So all these bills, and so many bills were bought midnight. They kept them pending. They did all this, no? So why can't they do it for Goa? If they really love Goa, they should do it.
When the chief minister has said that they can scrap from Sanandre, then that means there is a window actually. That means it can be scrapped all over.
हे बिल हाट घेवपाक म्हणजे सरकारान घालपा जाय हाट घेवपाक आनी सरकारान घातो जाल्यार मार्चा 6 तारीख जातली घालून फायदो ना कित्याक तेन्ना विरेशा कितें जाता तें खबर ना. सो तेका लागून अर्जंट तेणें आतां सरकाराक सांगचें की ती असेंब्ली सेशन घेवची म्हणून अर्जंट एमर्जन्सी असेंब्ली सेशन घेवची म्हूण आनी तितून सरकारान घालून तें बिल हाट घेवचें. सो हे आमी तेका उलयलें. तेणें आयकिलें उतर आयकिलें तेणें तेकाय खबर आहा कितें जाता तें आनी तेणें कन्सर्न सांगिल्ल्या की वय मनशा लायफ इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. He has said that life is very important. It is now the Honorable Governor's decision to tell the government and to take up an urgent assembly session. Ki let us be together on this issue. कितें डिफरन्सीस जावं कितें जावं आतां जाय ते जाणां आमकां मेसेज येताय की आमकां भितर घातले आमचे केस घातले आमगे काम करपा नाय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतले उलय ते 10 म्हयने रातसून जायत मेसेज येवपा लागले. गोंयची जनता ओग रावपाना गोंयचे लोक ओग रावपाना आनी हो जो आवाज तुमचे सप्रेस करू सोदताय की आमकां समज धमकी दिन की आमगे काम करपा नाय आनी हें करपा नाय काम आनी करपा गरज ना. गोंयची जरी तरी जमीन पळय जाल्यार साल्वा करपा जाय.
तो he had come to Goa for a specific reason. काल आमचे बनावलेच्या आमदाराचे एक फंक्शन आशिल्लें आनी there he has already made his stand very clear. He has fully supported this agitation. A special assembly session should be called. So definitely तांचो ह्या हातून फूल सपोर्ट आसा See, the matter is very simple. CM himself has agreed that he is ready to scrap 39A आणि इतलेच म्हणा की ताका टाइम लागतलो and it has to be done in the right forum. What is the forum? Assembly. But assembly session is on the 6th and time is of the essence कित्याक विरेश बोरकार is on a hunger strike, आमरण उपोषणाचेर.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही.